for this video. In this video you'll see me unpack my new affordable Me desktop monitor 27-inch. After that I'll show you the qualities of this display. In the end, they are 4 cool tips that can be applied for any display. I bought my monitor on a sale for $137. You can buy it more or less at the same price. Let's open it. This is the base of the stand. This is the HDMI cable. The charger. And lastly the stand. Connect the base with the stand, don't forget to screw it tightly. Be careful with the screen. We should connect it to the stand, make sure that it is fully connected. Insert the HDMI cable to the monitor. After that, connect the power cable. Take any device that have an HDMI port. I chose my laptop. Connect the HDMI cable to it. Product information sheet. Professional image quality. Low blue light, 178 degrees wide viewing angle, narrow bezels on 3 sides, in addition compact and lightweight, 1080p full HD resolution *. Professional HD image quality for crystal clarity. The 1920 by 1080 full HD resolution is incredibly detailed and perfect for work or entertainment. It also comes with 100% sRGB wide color gamut * for a clearer, more vivid viewing experience. Protects your eyes with low blue light *. Comfortable viewing for hours on end. The Me desktop monitor 27-inch has a built-in low blue light mode so users won't experience eye fatigue, even after long periods of use. Improved eye protection and comfortable to use both for work and entertainment. 178 degrees wide viewing angle *. Clear images regardless of viewing angle. Colors are even clearer with the outstanding IPS screen, which offers higher light transmittance and a visible viewing angle up to 178 degrees, so you get HD image quality no matter where you view from. Narrow bezel design for a wider view. Increase immersion with multiple monitors. The Me desktop monitor 27-inch features a unique thin bezel design on 3 sides, greatly improving viewing angles and offering an enhanced, more immersive experience. When multiple Me desktop monitor 27-inch screens are used together, the viewing experience is even more impressive. Simple, sleek design. 7.5mm thin body at thinnest part, perfect for any desk. The monitor has a simple, flat design and is just 7.5mm at its thinnest part. The simple shape and design creates a neat setup. Adjustable angles, it means that there is comfortable use from any sitting position. There is a multifunctional button, one button for power on, off and up / down / left / right selection, all under your control. In addition they are multiple ports. HDMI, VGA, audio, DCIN. These are specifications that might interest you. For the best part. 4 cool tips for display. First of all, go to your settings. Select System and the Display. My screen isn't so clear, but now you'll see that there are 4 options for using a monitor. The first one is displaying only on the laptop screen. The second, in my opinion the coolest one, is extend you screen. It means that if you feel that your monitor is too small, now you'll have a big one that is divided to two. Third option is only on monitor. The fourth one, the last one, is duplicate screen.